You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back. If you've been following my channel for a while, you would start to realize that I try to take at least one day a week to maybe do nothing or just tone it back a little bit. We can't keep hammering every day. So what I've done is, if you're like me and you're fidgety and you want to do something every day, this is a little method that you can use involving the Bowflex, along with, and also if you know me, you know I love doing push-ups. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine the two. We're going to do a minute on the Bowflex, no tension, no programs, no nothing. We're just going to use it to spin, get ourselves loosened up, and then we're going to do 25 push-ups. You do what you can do. And then we're going to go to in and outs. You know, I forgot my watch. Hey, hon, can you give me my watch? My wife's going to give me my watch so we can keep track of the cardio. Oh, she gave me my watch. We got the watch. All right, let's put our watch on. Also, if you've been watching, you know that I like to use my iPhone watch because it has a lot of programs to keep track of stuff. So we are going to turn this on to my cardio. Let's open it up. So let's start. Get on, and just let the program kick in. When the power kicks in, nothing fast. We're not working out. We're not mainly just working out on the Bowflex. Okay. We're doing this just to get the heart rate going, start getting the body warmed up, and when we're all done, we'll take a look. I'll take a look at my watch and see how many calories we actually burn. Make sure you keep your water. Always drink lots of water. 30 seconds. Like I said, you don't want to. You got to take at least one day a week off. But if you're fidgety and you don't want to take, and this wasn't your day off, maybe it's a little something extra you can do now. 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. I'm going to use push-up bars. If you don't have it, it's fine. Just do regular push-ups. If you can't do regular push-ups, go down on your knees. I'm going to get 25. You do what you can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, just put them aside. I know you hate doing abs. So we're just going to do something easy. In and out. Place your hands down by your side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right back up to your machine. Want to keep a constant pace going. Keep your heart rate up. Keep your body warm. But the machine's giving you a break on your pecs and your arms from doing the push-ups. So, and at the same time, we're doing a constant burning of calories. 17 calories already. 12 minutes. You know, you can do this while you're watching your TV, reading a book, up in your stand here. There are a lot of things you can do while you're doing these simple exercises. 10 more seconds. Okay, let's take it back down to the push-ups. Like I said, if you can't get to 25, that's just what I prefer. I'm gonna go a little wider this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them aside. I got a little sideways for you. In and out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right back up. Keep moving, guys. You don't want this to waste any time. You want to keep your heart rate up. About 126 on the heart rate. So it's a good heart rate for working out. This feels good too. No tension. We're not worried about sprinting. We're just spinning nice and easy. Anytime you get bored, you walk by your Max Trainer, just get on and start spinning. Do it while you're looking at your cell phone. It all adds up. 15 seconds. This is round 3. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Every time you do your push-ups, find a different position, whether it's wide or, you know what? And get my chair. I'm going to change my positioning. I'm going to raise my feet up. That way we have a slight decline. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In and out. Simple workout. 52 calories already. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. Last round. Here we go. Only 1-minute sessions on the Bowflex. Nice little cross training. Nothing difficult. Perfect if you weren't in the mood to work out, but you knew you had to do something. Only a little over 8 minutes into it. 125 on the heart rate. 62 on the calories so far. About 13 seconds more here. Three, two, one. Last set of push-ups. Last set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last set of in and outs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. And there you have it. My version of cross training with the Bowflex. So, hope you enjoyed. Guys, I also want to add one thing too. I try to stay in the same time zone all the time for my uploading. But one thing, you know, they might stagger a little bit. And the reasoning for that is I just want to make you aware that I know through editing and stuff like that, you can do whatever you want to do. But I am going to be completely and totally honest with you. The workouts you see are not recycled from old videos that I've done already. Every single workout that you get from me is brand new. And I do not edit any of my workouts. I might edit all the stuff in the beginning, stuff coming in, you know, the little versions of me pointing. But the workout, if I fail, you're gonna see me fail. That's one thing I wanted to do when I started my YouTube channel, was be completely honest on the workout, and the workout that I give you to never be recycled, for you to actually get that workout that I'm doing while you're doing yours. So I will see you on the next one. Little heads up. The next one, don't tell anyone if they didn't watch this, 14-minute interval. And we're gonna try to kill it. See you next time.